Hello YouTube, Stock Jockey back with ya. Got a little unenveloping. Haven't done one of these for, it's been a few days, week or two. This little jewel found its way across the ocean, as you can see. Let's get started. Let's open this baby up and take a look. Okay. And what do we have from the land down under? It looks like got a little padding, little tape around it. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah, I think I can do this without any scissors or anything of that nature. What did we do today in the world? Oh, that's right. The stock market was bouncing around a little bit today. A little roller coaster action. For old veterans like me that dabbled in the market from the tender age of the very first time I bought a stock, I think I was 17. Might have been, yeah, I was 17. I lied my age to open up an account with E.F. Hutton. And the very first stock I ever bought, I actually made money about 6 weeks after I bought it, and so the fish hook was firmly implanted in my mouth. But anyway, let's not talk about stock market. Let's take a look and see what we got from the land down under. And I think Lady Liberty Stacker will enjoy this. I know Coin Keeper will enjoy this. And there are a few other people out there that will enjoy this. As you can see, if we got the padding off, got a nice little box. And if we turn that box around, we can see that it is, get in front of the camera, it looks like a proof issue 1998 Australian Kookaburra. Alright, let's take a look at this bad boy. And I like these cases a lot. The Perth Mint really does a great job with these leather cases. And we got a little COA. We'll get that in the camera. And we can see that this is number 410. Put that up there. You can go ahead and pause the video if you want to go ahead and read that. That's the COA for this little jewel. And we've got the birds. A couple of them. A couple of the birds there in the beautiful leather case. Let's take that little jewel out of there so we can go ahead and see it up close. And there we go. Shiny, 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 shiny. Like the shiny birds. 2 ounce, 1998 proof Kookaburra. And then, of course, flip it around to the back so everybody can see Queenie, the Madge, the Lizard in all her glory. Nice mirrors there. Great background. Let's take a look at the birds again. Fine, fine specimen. I really enjoy these proof kookaburras in the 2 ounce, $2 size. Once again, Stock Jockey telling you to keep on stacking, enjoy your coins, your bars, your rounds, your numismatics, share them with others, and whatever you do, keep your chin up and make the most of each day. And Stock Jockey saying thanks for watching this video. Go enjoy some other videos and have a very nice evening. Stock Jockey is